Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Pixel supports eSIM and your carrier allows it. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi so activation can complete quickly. Make sure you have the carrier QR code, activation code, or login details on hand. This avoids delays. Start settings, tap network and internet, then add a network. This kicks off the eSIM flow. You'll see prompts to scan or enter details. Follow them now, because preparation speeds the activation and prevents repeated carrier calls. You scan the carrier QR or select manual install to paste the activation code. Either approach installs the eSIM profile. Once the device downloads the profile, you'll be prompted to label the line. Pick primary or secondary so Android routes calls and data correctly. Make sure to set which line uses mobile data if you have two profiles. If prompted, restart the phone. This finalizes network provisioning. Keep Wi-Fi on while the profile downloads, because interruptions can leave the profile incomplete and non-functional. You finish by confirming the eSIM shows active under Settings, Network and Internet SIM. Once active, test calls, SMS, and mobile data. If you don't see signal, toggle mobile data off and on, then restart the phone. This forces a network reattach. If problems persist, gather the eSIM EID and any error messages and contact your carrier. Explain you've scanned or entered the activation code so they can provision the profile. One key tip: a fresh restart often fixes stuck activations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.